Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I have a Kato GP35. I added Tsunami sound to it and LED lighting, and he didn't want it weathered. He just wanted the sound added. I just did the number boards for him too, because that's all part of the lighting. And so they're done, and I painted the step faces white. I also airbrushed all the handrails blue and painted the ends white, so he said he's just going to add all the parts for himself. So just take a look at this guy really quick. So of course it's got a 567D decoder in it, and there you can see the number boards. Nothing too special about it other than having a sound at it. And again, you can see the number boards. And we'll just do a quick reverse. Sorry about that. There we go. And I'm not going to really belabor it. There we go. There. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to demo the engine for him before I ship it. Alright, bye.